One of the most difficult verbs in the language to put in the infinitive is the verb to have. Try this one out. How would I say I would like to have a party? So I would like b'wathlum, but then to have a party. If you're struggling with it, there's a good reason. It's because there is no verb to have in Irish. Think about tá madra agam, for I have a dog. It's a dog is at me. Past tense, bhí madra agam. So I'm using the verb to be and just changing the tense of that to change the tense of to have. Therefore, in the infinitive, it's not going to be any different. I just need the infinitive of the verb to be. That's going to be ave, and in our classic infinitive structure, let's say anobar ayenu to do the work, so we use the noun first, we invert. Therefore, I would like to have a party would be b'wathlum kosher ave agam. We could also say festa for party. So it's always going to be that structure. Let's say X is the noun, so it's going to be X ave. Let's call it agam. But again, the agam could change depending on the doer of the action. Let's make it a bit clearer. So b'wathlum kosher ave agam, for I would like to have a party. You would like to have a party. B'watlat kosher ave ad. Equally, they would like to have a party. B'watlo kosher ave aku. So it's always going to be that structure for a to have a party, to have a dog, to have a day off. X ave, let's call it agam. But be careful because that agam could change to any of the egg forms depending on who is having the certain item or noun. Hopefully that makes it a lot easier. Any other verbs you find challenging, leave a comment down below.